Okay, guys, gonna show you a nifty little trick that I devised, and then I'm gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Maybe you can learn how to do it. Shows you some of the techniques and maneuvers that you learn when you watch all these professionals and stuff like that help you do card tricks. Okay, so without further ado, I'll do the trick, then we'll go through the tutorial. Okay. Anyway, all right. So I have three ace of diamonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 ace of diamonds from 3 separate decks of bicycle cards. All right, I take the top card and rub it on my arm. And watch this. I rub it hard enough. Look at that. I blew the ace right off of there. All right. Take the second ace, rub it again, rub it real hard, rub it real hard. Look at that, gone. Ace number 3, rub it real hard. Gone. And what are we left with? We're left with 3 blank cards. Pretty wild. Well, tell you what we're going to do. All those ace of diamond fragments are floating in the air. Let's grab this here, throw it on there, and grab another one and throw it in there and mix it up. And oh, there's another one floating there, and throw it right on there. See what we have. Look at that. We have 1, 2, 3 aces. All the aces are back. 3 aces from 3 separate decks of bicycle cards. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty cool trick. All right, so here's how it's done. Start off with the ace of diamonds. All right, but the trick is you need to have 2 blank cards. Haha. You start off with the ace on the bottom, and you say, I have 3 ace of diamonds. 3 ace of diamonds from 3 separate decks of cards. And when you say it, you say, I have 1. That's 1. You show it again, you say 2. You show it again, you say 3. Now, it looks like as if you just counted 3 aces of diamonds, all right? And you can, say, you can reiterate it again by going like this and be sticking it on the bottom and say, and reiterate again. Say, hey, look, like I told you, I have 1. I have 1, 2, 3. But the idea is when you first do the count, you want to slide it off with your thumb like this. And then you slide it again, and now the cards are in there, you call it a mechanic's grip, and then you put the ace back right on top. Now, with the cover of this hand here and this hand here, there's a little maneuver where you push off 2 cards like that, okay? And it looks like you're pushing off 1. You go like this, and you say, I'm going to take my ace of diamonds, my top ace of diamonds. Actually, you're pushing off 2 cards with the ace of diamonds on top. You go and you rub it on your arm, and then you do the blow thing. Put the cards back on the deck. You're actually placing the ace of diamonds down on the table. And you do it 2 more times. You do this, you blow. But now this second one, you put it on top of the ace of diamonds. And then the third one, after you do the arm thing and you blow, it's a real quick maneuver where you slip this card underneath the ace. So now you're in this position here on the table where the ace is in the middle. And then when you go to pick up the cards and you fan them out like that, you can cover the top of there and you can pull this thing out as far down as you want. It looks like it's a blank card because the ace of diamonds and the ace of hearts are only in these 3 positions as opposed to the ace of spades and the clubs. So now you're like this. And then you close it up. And then when you're talking about having to bring the aces back, you do a quick maneuver where you take this card here and you do an undercut. You take that card, put it on top. Now you're in this position, but you want to keep it hidden. Now you do that crazy thing where I said I was going to pull all this stuff out of the air, and and then you rub it, and then the next thing you know, you have 1, 2, 3 ace of diamonds. That's all it is. Hope you enjoyed that.